Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Usman. Here at Mobility, we have recently developed a product called MAXxEMV Validation Tool. To make life easier, Mobility comes up with three different models, which are MAXxEMV Inline Validation, MAXxEMV Desktop Validation, MAXxEMV Standalone Validation. Today we are going to talk about MAXxEMV Standalone Validation. MAXxEMV Standalone Validation comes up with a compact device model with touchscreen and motorized card reader. This device comes up with a battery so we can carry this device from one location to another. It has three USB ports, one HDMI and one Ethernet port. MAXxEMV Standalone Validation make it possible for customers to validate the EMV card one by one and generates the report accordingly. This device can be used by banks or personalization bureaus. Moving forward, let's have a look to an application. MAXxEMV standalone application has two types of user group. One is the admin group, second is the user group. Admin to run the application in the administrative mode and the user to run the application in the production mode. Today we are going to log in the application as an admin. So we will enter the username and password and we'll log in the application. Once we click on the login button, we have to select the reader type. So based on that reader type, we have to select contact and contactless reader and log in the application. So once we log in the application, we can see that we have total 6 main tabs: home, scenarios, utilities, card data, configuration, and about. On the left side menu, we have one drop down button where we can able to see some scenarios: EMV, MasterCard, Visa, Union Pay, GH-Link Verb, Discover, Try. So today we are going to run the MasterCard test. So once we select the MasterCard, based on that MasterCard contact, PayPass, dual interface scenarios are going to come in front of us. So we are going to run the MasterCard contact scenario. Once we click on the MasterCard contact scenario, so it start processing the card. It will take few minutes to process it and will give us the test results. So once the process has been completed, we can see that we have overview tab, transaction logs, card structure, test report, comparison, and recover tags. Overview screen gives us a summary of the card testing. If we have any error, we can see that error in this summary box. Transaction logs. Transaction logs gives detailed information of the test cards, which include read records, IPK certificates, RQC, and ARPC testing. Card structure. Card structure gives detailed information of the test card in the form of tree nodes. We can expand any of the node and we can see the read records and tags under that record. Test report. Test report gives us the test results of the use cases which are applied to the card as per Visa, MasterCard, and PCI DSS standards regulations. Here you can see that these are the test use cases which are applied to the card and these are their results. These are the summary of that result. Comparison tag. Comparison tags highlights the tags whose profile value does not match with the card value. If we can see on the left side, we have the list of tags here, their description, and the value read from the card and the value read from the template. Template means profile. Here for this bin, already we have configured the MasterCard Profile Advisor output file for this particular bin. So based on that one, when we are going to run any test for this particular bin, we don't need to configure the profile again, and it do the comparison at the runtime and give us the result if it is passed or failed. So any deviation found will be highlighted in the application. Recover tags. Recover tags recover tags extract all the tags present on the card. We can see that these are the tags and these are their values and their description. These are ICC tags or terminal tags which is extracted from the card. Thank you for listening.